So if you have been given the longitude and latitude and you want to convert this into an address, this is what reverse coding is. So let's try that out. So I'm going to use some libraries, dplyr, just to manage the data, and tidy geocoder. This is the main library which does the geocoding and reverse geocoding. GT, just to display the data on the screen, and tibble to create a data. So let's create a data frame, or rather a tibble, using the tibble function from the tibble package. So I'm just using two addresses because I didn't have the longitude and latitude. So this is an extra step which I'm going to use to get the longitude and latitude for these two locations. So this is the data. So let's do the geocoding first, which is not our main topic in this one, but we need longitude, latitudes. How do we do that? This is what we use to get the longitude and latitude from the addresses. This is the topic of geocoding. So we got these two geocoded, so we got the longitude and latitude. Now we use this longitude and latitude as our input, and we want to do the reverse coding. And this is a good way of actually testing it out also. So from the address we got the longitude, latitude, and from latitude, longitude we get the address back again. So using the reverse geocoding function now, this is what we got. So we started with the Eiffel Tower, Paris, and then we got its longitude, latitude, and then we also got the address. So this is what we started with because we didn't have the longitude and latitude of two locations. So using the geocoding process, I got its longitude and latitude, and we used the longitude, latitude as our input for reverse geocoding. So using these longitude, latitude, I got the complete address. I hope you found this information useful and practical. Thank you very much for watching it, and I'll see you in the next one.